In this video, I will show you how to use forms as a triggering action for a workflow. So in other words, what you would like the system to do when someone completes a particular form. So to do this step, you will need your form set up and ready to go and a workflow. So you want to come into workflows and we want to start by clicking the green Create New Workflow button. And for this one, we're going to start from scratch and create a new workflow. You can start by relabeling your workflow, something that you will remember it by. And then we want to start by clicking the Add New Workflow Trigger button. You will keep the trigger type as CRM, and then from the drop down, you want to search for form. We're going to select Form Submitted. So this runs when a form is submitted. We then want to press the Add Filter button, and from the drop down, select Form Is, and then the particular form that we would like to trigger this workflow. You can then label your form at the top of the trigger so you know exactly what form you have selected. Once complete, hit Save Trigger. So now this is saying that when someone submits the form that we have selected, then we want it to trigger the actions below. You can also choose to use the additional filters that may be set up as a custom field so that the triggering action only activates depending on a specific response. For example, if you asked for gender, you could have one trigger activate for men and another for women. For this example, we are just going to keep it as the form is submitted and one form selected. So you can then go ahead and enter in the actions you would like to take place once the form has been submitted, keeping in mind that a workflow will run from top to bottom. Some examples of actions that you might want to set include adding to an opportunity pipeline, a tag, sending an email, or even sending an internal notification. To set your first action, you can click on the plus button and you can search for an action. For example, add contact tag, select your contact tag, and save. Don't forget to label as you go so you know what you have selected. Once you have all of your actions laid out that you would like completed once your form is submitted, be sure to toggle to published and hit save when you are done.